It's always nice to have a healthy sweet snack on hand as a rewarding on-the-go treat, like our springy and moist applesauce cake. And as indulgent as it may taste, our version is made with all the good stuff: ancient grains, protein-rich hemp, natural fruit, reduced sugar, and a generous shake of warming spices. First, we'll prep a baking pan by spraying the sides with cooking oil spray, and then lining it with parchment to ensure the bread comes out easily. Now we'll mix our dry ingredients by adding some spelt flour to a bowl, along with some pure hemp protein powder for a boost of protein and minerals. We'll also add some hemp seeds, a great source of omega-3s, some baking soda, salt, as well as a little cinnamon, and some ground cardamom. And we'll mix this all together. In a separate bowl, we'll add some melted coconut oil, some coconut sugar, as well as some sugar-free monk fruit sweetener. We'll add some unsweetened applesauce, as well as a bit of lemon juice, and some vanilla extract too. Then we'll mix this together very well. Now we'll add in our dry ingredients and gently mix to combine, using as few strokes as possible just until everything is incorporated. And we'll transfer this to our prepared pan and smooth out the surface into a flat layer. And we'll bake our cake at 350 degrees for about 45 to 50 minutes. Once the cake is golden, we'll let this cool in the pan for about 15 minutes before flipping it onto a baking rack to cool completely. Finally, we'll sprinkle lightly with a sugar-free monk fruit powdered sugar. Get the full recipe, cooking tips, and so much more at luminberry.com. And if you love this video, please give us a like and hit subscribe to get all the latest on cooking with superfoods.